Chelsea. Today I'm at Milam Truck Country, located in Puyallup at 500 River Road. Today we're looking at this beautiful white 2010 Nissan Rogue. It's perfect for commuting, makes a great small family vehicle. Let's take a look on the inside. On the inside it has cloth seats, automatic transmission, CD player with AM/FM radio, and iPod integration, has cruise control integrated right into the steering wheel, comes equipped with all the power options, windows, locks, and mirrors. The back seat comfortably seats 3, lots of space back there, also nice and clean on the inside. There's plenty of space in the cargo area. Very easy to fold the seats down for more room if needed. Has a hidden compartment here for valuables. All of our inventory at Milam goes through an extensive service and safety inspection. They are beautifully detailed so you can purchase with confidence. Give us a call today to set up a test drive with one of our professional sales representatives at 253-01.